What is sustainable technologies? Sustainable technologies are innovations designed with the goal of reducing environmental impact and promoting social and economic development. These technologies aim to address environmental, social, and governance issues by using sustainable processes and materials. Here are a few key aspects of sustainable technologies: renewable energy, technologies like solar panels, wind turbines, and hydroelectric power that generate energy from renewable sources, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Energy efficiency, innovations that improve energy use, such as LED lighting, smart grids, and energy-efficient appliances. Waste reduction, technologies that minimize waste production and enhance recycling, such as biodegradable materials and advanced waste management systems.